Hi, hello, this is Rifa'ul Fajr. In this video, I will show my living room in my house. This video like room tour, so let's get it. When open the door and enter the house, that door living room is as I like. This is my living room in my house. Oh, so sorry, my living room is so messy. In this living room, there is frame, cupboard, chair, table, vase, calendar, clock, fan, and lamp, aquarium, curtain, and windows. This is a cupboard in my living room. This cupboard is filled with decorative glasses, trophy, souvenirs, and toys. This cupboard made by thick wood. And this is chair. This is my chairs in my house. This chair made by thick wood and with flower decoration. This flower so good, right? This is table in my house made by thick wood too. And the table have a flower decoration too. This table and this chair is one set. In this living room, there is one fan, one calendar, one clock, and one lamp too. This is calendar. This is clock, and this is fan, and this is lamp. In this living room, there is aquarium too. This aquarium, there isn't fish because the fish is dead and my mom doesn't bought fish yet. Next is curtain in my living room. Curtain is green. My mom very addicted with green curtain. I have a big vase too. This vase is with flower decoration and with flower imitation too, and there is a color lamp. This vase in my living room. The vase on the table with a flower imitation. After that, in my living room there is a frame. In this frame, there is photo with my family. This is at my brother graduation. This is with my mom and I and my brother at UCU. This is my brother at Carnival, and this is my full family, my mother, my brother, I, and my father. This photo take at Idul Fitri, and this is souvenir from my brother's school. Okay, just so this is finished. This is my living room, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you, bye.